Usually McLaren hangs out in the chair next to us, but today he wants to be part of the party. So we're gonna make banana bread today, old time classic. It seems like I always have bananas to freeze after I've bought a bunch. We never seem to go through them all. So that's what we're doing today, is making more room in the freezer by getting rid of the bananas. Pardon, Hudson? Yes. You can have a little dish of them, but the rest have to go in the banana bread, okay?
What?
Yeah. What? Okay, can you put the bananas in the big bowl? Good job. I'll help. You hold it up. I'll scoop it out. The trick I have found to cooking shows is how they make it look so easy, is everything's pre-measured. So I'm just going through the list of everything. This recipe, I think a lot of recipes ask you to like cream the sugar and the bananas and that kind of stuff ahead of time. This recipe is just saying toss it all in a mixer and mix it together, which is my style. What size of scoop baby is gonna fit in there, Hudson?
Down.
You think so?
Yeah. Waffles.
This one's for making waffles. We need 4 of these. We need 1 cup of sugar. Can you scoop out 4 scoops? Maybe try letting go of your chocolate chips. There you go.
That will help.
That will help.
What?
It's got to be a little bit fuller, buddy. It's got to be full to the top.
What?
Yep. That's better. 1. Go a little bit fuller. You gotta make it fuller.
Like this?
A little bit more. There. It's okay. Let's try again. Here, scoop from the side. Go around. There you go. Yep. 2. We'll top it up a little after.
I need to do it.
Want me to do it?
I need my chocolate chips.
3, 4, and a little extra that adds a little bit sugar. Okay. 1 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Powder.
I have messed this up on a recipe once or twice. 1 teaspoon. We need to find a teaspoon measure, Hudson.
No.
This is a half a teaspoon, but you can use this one and scoop it twice. 2 times.
This one never make a waffle bowl full.
That one's too small for making waffles, but can you put 2 scoops into there, please?
2 little?
2 little ones, yeah. Oh, that's a big one. Okay, yep. And then just a little bit more. Knock it off. We don't need quite that much. Just a little bit more. There. Ooh, that's really powdery, eh?
Yeah. I'm probably made that.
Okay. Mom's gonna do the eggs.
Why?
When does Hudson get to do the eggs?
When I'm older.
Yeah, that's right.
They will be a boy.
You won't be a little boy anymore?
You will go to a boy.
I'm gonna grow to a boy? I don't think so. I think I'm not a boy, I'm a girl.
You can grow?
I'm a mom.
That's a man?
Yes, that is a man. 2 eggs. All right, buddy, where's your black scoop?
Here.
Yep. Can you take 1 scoop of this and put it in the bowl? Baking soda.
I like baking soda.
Oh, good job. That's a really good one.
A little one.
Yeah. Hey, Mac. All right, we're good with that one. We just needed 1.
Why?
Because that's all the recipe calls for. And then we need 1 of salt. Can you hold it over the bowl for me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold it over the bowl. Good job. Hold her steady. Hold her steady. Hold her steady, Captain. There we go. Jump.
What?
Yeah, good job.
Now I need my unicorn.
So,
The water.
the butter.
Yeah.
Most of the butters, if you hadn't noticed already, they're kind of measured on the side. So I've kind of got a pretty good idea of how much half a cup is. Hey, we need the mixer. Where's the mixer, guys? All right.
It's not gonna be loud.
It'll be a little bit loud once we turn it on. You ready to turn it on?
Yeah. I'm ready. I know. Oh, please.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Woo! Away it goes. Mixin', mixin', mixin'. So we'll get all the wet ingredients mixed together, and then we'll start to add our flour. Okay, you got your silver scoop again, Hudson?
I do.
You do.
I'm doing it's over.
I'm gonna make it so you got the little channel to dump it in.
A little channel.
Yeah. Okay, I need you to use the silver spoon or scoop. Mac, you helping? Here, you can hold this one and help now. Here, Mac. Oh, good job. Okay, dump it in. One. Mac really wants to help. Yeah, dump that one in. 2. We're gonna need 8 of them. There you go. Yeah. Good job. You can make it out of there. That's 3.
Without?
3. Get it out. There we go. Okay. Yeah, keep going. We gotta get to 8. So 4. Ooh, you got quite the powdery mess happening there, buddy. Let's see how we're doing there. Is it looking kind of mixed? No? Yeah, I think we're gonna... I just have the mixer on stir right now, just so it's not quite as violent. We'll have some dumping stuff in, but we're gonna boost it up here a little bit and make sure everything's getting good and mixed. Well, that's kind of mixing. I have these really neat pans from my mother-in-law that they're shaped. So we're going to use these to make shaped banana bread. Yeah, shapes. You can pick what shapes you want to have. These are Mom's banana bread pans. So we have heart. Woo! I would appreciate it though if you kept the flour on the counter. And we have a flour. So these, you need to grease these really well. Do you want to, can you hold the pan while I mix this? Hold this. We need to grease them up really well. Ready? so that the bread doesn't stick. Yeah, hold this one so I can see. I'm trying to keep the spray away from Max. Am I?
Yeah.
Sorry, bud. Okay.
I'm gonna make a mess, Mom.
Alright, you ready to pour the chocolate chips in?
No.
Okay. You can use a scoop actually. That
Why?
might be easier. Hold the scoop. Take a scoop of chocolate chips. Take a scoop. Dump it in there.
Why? Uh-oh.
Oh, should we put your little thing back on? Oh, Mac, we're trying to help. You're clearing. Okay, dump him in your channel there.
No, I think I'll put the mountain food in there.
No, can you dump them in, please? That way you're not touching them all with your fingers. That would be great. Thank you. Okay, another scoop.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Some more?
Yeah, one more. A big one.
That was a big one.
Okay, dump them in.
Some more? No, nice to say them because you were talking. You're not my little. Does that have food over there?
No, please.
Why?
Because there's raw egg in there.
What? Egg?
Raw egg. Egg that is not cooked.
Why?
Raw egg.
Wait, come on.
You,
Oh, here?
can you scoop a little bit more into there? I don't think we have put enough in the bowl.
Where's the halfway out here?
Can you please scoop more into the bowl first, please?
Honey, I can eat this one.
Thanks for helping, Mac.
I'm gonna eat the little one.
Okay, can you dump some more into the bowl for me, please, though? Good job. There we go. So, this kind of looks a little bit not mixed with the butter.
Where's the halfway out here?
But
Where's the halfway out here, Mom?
yes, you may. How many do you have? Oh, you have lots. Okay, let's dump a little bit more into the bowl. Just a little bit. Shake it out a little bit. So you'd only dump some of them in.
What's of mine?
Yeah, you don't need all of those. A quarter of a cup here. There you are.
There you go.
So we'll see how this turns out. I'm not convinced, but if anybody knows how long we were supposed to mix that or something I did wrong, I'm just kind of following this recipe. In the comments below, by all means, leave me a note. I think recipes I've used before, it's been a while, is you cream them together first. This recipe didn't say to do that, so we'll see how it turns out. So hopefully, if McLaren will let us here, we will get some of this batter.
Batter?
The batter into
There?
the muffin tins. You have to leave a fair bit of room for expansion in these pans, I find. So I'm only filling it about half full. Mac's really trying to help. He's really into this today.
Yeah. Right here. That's really good. I'm gonna put them in the dish.
You can put some in the dish, sure, buddy.
I know I eat them in layers.
Yeah?
Yeah, definitely gonna put them in this. I don't want this. I don't want here for now.
Okay.
Yeah. Go we're not missing anything.
No, that's right.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy. Is this gonna taste good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mac? Mac's doing a really good job trying to help. Okay. Well, I think that's... I don't think so, buddy.
Mac can't eat it?
Mac doesn't... Well, Mac has only 2 teeth. But Mac's only 6 months old, so... He's not really quite ready for banana bread yet. We might give him a little piece later. A little tiny taste. Just because he was helping.
Little tiny piece?
Little tiny piece.
Oh. That's really tiny.
Okay. So, we're moving to the other side of our kitchen now. To put these on a cookie sheet. And go in the oven. And we'll show you guys how these turned out a little bit later. Good job. We gotta put the lid on. Hudson, are you helping clean up?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job. You wiping down your helper?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. What's it all covered in?
Soap and powder.
Flour?
Flour.
Yeah.
I'm not cleaning it off.
You're doing a good job. Thank you.
I'm cleaning my car. I'm cleaning my car. This is my car helper.
It's your car helper?
Yeah.
Nice. What kind of car helper is it?
It's it's a Ford coupe.
It's a Ford Coupe?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That was it. That was it on the bottom.
That's what it says on the bottom?
Yeah, and on top.
And on top? Oh, okay.
And on the steps.
Yeah?
And who on my car? I just want the bottom by.
Heart-shaped and flower-shaped banana bread. Seems like it turned out okay. What do you think?
Yummy.
Cheers?
Cheers. Nice. Yummy.
Mm-hmm.